The A8 is a relatively new name in the automotive world, but it's making waves with its impressive design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. This luxury sedan aims to compete with well-established brands by offering a premium driving experience at a competitive price. From the moment you lay eyes on the A8, you can tell it's built to impress. The sleek body lines, aggressive front grille, and sharp LED headlights give it a modern and sophisticated look. The aerodynamic design not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves fuel efficiency and performance. With a long wheelbase and a low stance, the A8 has a commanding presence on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The seats are wrapped in fine leather with heating, cooling, and massage functions to ensure maximum comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Advanced voice commands and AI-driven features make controlling the car's functions effortless. Under the hood, the A8 packs a punch. It comes with a range of powertrain options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a V6, and even a hybrid variant for those looking for fuel efficiency. The top-end model delivers impressive horsepower, allowing for quick acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, while the precision steering gives you confidence behind the wheel. Whether you're driving through city streets or hitting the open road, the A8 provides a dynamic and engaging experience. Safety is a top priority for A8, and the A8 is loaded with advanced driver assistance features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system to provide maximum visibility. The car's semi-autonomous driving capability allows it to handle highway driving with minimal input, making long journeys more relaxing. Technology in the A8 goes beyond just infotainment and safety. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, and the car's AI system learns your driving habits to optimize performance. A smart key system allows keyless entry and remote start, while over-the-air updates keep the vehicle's software up to date. The connectivity features also enable remote monitoring through a smartphone app, giving owners control over various settings even when they're not in the car. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the A8. The hybrid variant offers excellent mileage, making it a great option for eco-conscious drivers. Even the gasoline models are engineered for optimal efficiency, with cylinder deactivation and regenerative braking helping to maximize fuel savings. In terms of driving dynamics, the A8 strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining stability at high speeds. The all-wheel drive option provides excellent traction in all weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for those who experience harsh winters. The A8 offers incredible value for money compared to its competitors. With its luxurious features, advanced technology, and strong performance, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a premium sedan without paying an extravagant price. Whether you're after comfort, style, or performance, the A8 delivers in every category.